So now let us come into the problem number 4. Find capital X and capital Y. This is a matrix. This is also another matrix. You have to find out capital X and capital Y matrices. Here condition x plus y equal to 2 by 2 matrix. X minus y equal to another 2 by 2 matrix. Here we have to find out capital X and capital Y, both are same odds because they are getting 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. Even X and Y also 2 by 2 matrices. So now let us consider this is equation number 1. Consider this is equation number 1. This is also another equation. Let us take this second equation. From 1 and 2 equations, we have to solve these two equations, either addition or subtraction. So I am taking from first equation and second equation, adding 1 plus 2 equations. Left side value is left side, right side value is right side, because I am taking addition. In place of addition, we can take subtraction, we get answer, no problem. So x plus y, first equation, left hand side values x plus y plus second equation, left side value x minus y equal to first equation left side value, second equation left side value, it is equal to right hand side value, first matrix 7 0 2 5, first equation right hand side matrix plus second equation right hand side matrix, so 3 0 0 3 0 3, it is equal to, here plus y minus y both are cancelled, x plus x 2x equal to addition of two matrices, corresponding positions must be added. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3 10, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 3 8. So now capital X equal to, these two value take the same, 1 by 2 into 10 0 to 8, which is capital X equal to, here 2 is multiplied, this value take this side, that is 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 value multiply each and every element. 1 by 2 of 10, that is 5. 0 by 2, 0 by something, that value 0. 2 cancel, this value is equal to 1. 1 by 2 into 8, that is equal to 4, which is also 2 by 2 matrix. This is capital X. Now I want to find out capital Y. How to find capital Y matrix? This X value, substitute in the any one of the equation, you will get capital X. Otherwise, subtraction, first equation, second equation subtracting, you will get capital Y. So I am taking capital X value, substituting any one of the equation. I am taking from one equation. What is 1? X plus y equal to 7025. 7025. Capital X matrix is 5014 plus capital Y equal to 7025. 7025. So this matrix, left hand side matrix taken into right hand side, it will become negative. So y equal to 7025 minus, plus matrix changes to minus of 5014. Now capital Y equal to subtraction of two matrices, difference of two matrices. 7 minus 5, corresponding positions must be subtracted. 7 minus 5, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. Which is capital Y matrix, that is also 2 by 2 matrix. Coming to the next problem, question number 5. Find capital X if capital Y equal to 3214 and 2x plus y equal to 10 minus 3 2. Then find the value of capital X matrix. So capital Y is 2 by 2 matrix. Definitely it gives capital X also 2 by 2 matrix. This Y value substitute in the equation, then you will get capital X. So now 2x plus, in this equation 2x plus, what is capital Y? This is capital Y. 3, 2, 1, 4. 2 by 2 matrix is equal to right hand side matrix 1, 0, minus 3, 2. 1, 0, minus 3, 2. So I want 2x only. 2x equal to left hand side matrix taking into right hand side. 1, 0, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 1, 4. So 2x is equal to, this is also difference of two matrices. So corresponding positions or elements must be subtracted. 1 minus 3 minus 2. 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2, that is also minus 2. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2. So now capital X equal to, this value take this side. 1 by 2 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. Then it is equal to capital X equal to 2 cancel. This is equal to minus 1. 2 cancel, that is also minus 1. Minus 4 divided by 2, that is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2, that is also minus 1. It is 2 cross 2. 1 by 2 multiply each and every element, we will get the 4 elements. Next, coming to the question number 6. If capital A equal to 3 by 3 matrix, capital B 3 by 3 matrix, capital C also 3 by 3 matrix, then find A plus B and B minus C matrix. And also verify that A plus B minus C equal to A plus B minus C. Left hand side value, right hand side value, both are equal or not. So you are giving only verification. If it is equal, hence it is true. So now first find out A plus B. Find out A plus B. Because they give A plus B value, find out. A plus B equal to addition of two matrices 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. Plus B matrix 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. Then it is equal to addition of two matrices. So corresponding positions must be equal. 1 plus 3, 4, 2, 2 plus into minus minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Minus 3 plus 2, this is minus 1. Next, 5 second row elements must be adding. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 2, that is 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Next, third row elements, same position must be added. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Minus 1 plus 0, that is minus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. So it is 3 by 3 matrix. So next, A plus B completed. Next one, B minus C. B minus C equal to second matrix and third matrix subtracted. So 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. Minus third matrix 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 3. 1 minus 2, 3, which is equal to difference of two matrices. We have to find out. Say, corresponding positions must be subtracted. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. 2 minus 2, this is equal to 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus of minus, minus into minus plus, 0 plus 2, that is equal to 2. 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. It is also 3 by 3 matrix. So A plus B over B minus C also over. So now coming to the left hand side value LHS. What is LHS? A plus B minus C, which is equal to A matrix. So 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, plus what is B minus C matrix? B minus C matrix is equal to this one, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, 0. It is equal to, now addition of these two matrices, minus 1 plus 1 and again minus 1, this is equal to 0. 2 plus 2, that is also 0. Minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3. Next, 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, that is also 1. 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. This is also 3 by 3 matrix. So left hand side value completed. Now coming to the right hand side matrix. Right hand side matrix how much? Right hand side value which is equal to A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C, right hand side value. Now here what is A plus B? A plus B already we have done. Here 4, 1, minus 1, 9, 2, 7, 3, minus 1, 4, minus C matrix is this one. So 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3. 1 minus 2, 3. So now difference between these two matrices. 4 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 3. Second row elements, 9 minus 0, this is equal to 9. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 minus plus. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Observe. Left hand side matrix equal to right hand side matrix. Elements are same. 0, 0, minus 3. 9 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 1, 5. 2, 1, 1, 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Coming to the question number 7. If capital A equal to 3 by 3 matrix, capital B 3 by 3 matrix, and capital C is a column matrix. Calculate AC, BC and A plus B into C. Also verify that A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. Verification. So before that, first find out A plus B. Find out A plus B equal to 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0, plus B matrix 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, which is equal to A plus B equal to addition of two matrices 0 plus 0, this is 0, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 2, 10. Now coming to the third row elements must be added. 7 plus 1, 8, minus 8 plus 2, this is minus 6, 0 plus 0, this is 0, which is 3 by 3 matrix. Now coming to the left hand side value, what is LHS? A plus B into C, which is equal to A plus B matrix is this one, 0, 7, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, 8, minus 6, 0. A plus B matrix completed. But what is C matrix? So it is 2, minus 2, 3, which is equal to, these are 2 in the form of product base. So product of two matrices This matrix order is 3 cross 3. This matrix order is 3 cross 3. This matrix order is 3 cross 1. So first matrix columns, second matrix rows are equal. Then finally we will get 3 cross 1. So our resultant matrix A plus B into C matrix gives 3 cross 1. So now first row multiplied with first column. I am taking first row multiplied with first column. 0 into 2, 0. Plus into minus, minus. 7 2s are 14. Plus 8 3s are 24. First row, first column completed. There is another second column and third column. First column over. Now coming to the second row elements. Second row with first column. Minus 5 into 2. This is value is minus 10. Plus into minus, minus 0 into 2, that is 0. Plus 10 3s are 30. Corresponding elements must be multiplied. So now third row elements. Third row elements. Here first element, here also first element. 8 2s are 16. Minus into minus. Plus 6 2s are 12. Plus 0 into something. This is 0. Then it is equal to, what is the answer? A plus B into C, which is equal to minus 14 plus 24. This is equal to 10. Minus 10 plus 13, which is equal to 20. Minus plus 16 plus 12, this is 28. So which is the order? What is the order? 3 cross 1. So this is left hand side value is 10, 20, 28. This is the column matrix. Now coming to the right hand side value, AC value and again BC value, how to find out. So before that, first find out AC and AC value find out. AC equal to, what is AC? AC equal to 0, 6, 7 capital A matrix, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0 into C matrix 2, minus 2, 3, which is equal to. So product of these two matrices, capital A matrix and capital C matrix, 3 by 3 matrix and 3 column, 3 cross 1 matrix, definitely you will get 3 cross 1, 3 rows and 1 column, which is equal to 0. First row multiplied with first column, 0 into 2, which is equal to 0, plus into minus, minus 6 2s are 12, plus 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21. Now coming to the second row elements. Second row elements, minus 6 into 2, this is minus 12, plus minus, plus into minus, minus, 0 into something, 0, plus into, plus that is plus, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Now third row elements of first column, 7 2s are 14, minus into minus, plus 8 2s are 16, plus 0 into something, 0. So which is equal to, minus 12 plus 21, this is plus 9. Minus 12 plus 24, which is equal to 12. 14 plus 16, this is equal to 30, which is also 3 cross 1. So now in the right hand side value, AC part over. And coming to the right hand side value, BC. Next find out BC. BC equal to B matrix 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2. 1, 2, 0 and the C matrix, so 2, minus 2, 3, which is equal to, again same procedure, first column multiplication, so 0 into 2, this is equal to 0, minus 2, 1 into 2 minus 2, plus 1 into 3, which is equal to 3. Now coming to the second row, first column, so 1 into 2, 2, minus 0 into 2, that is 0, 2 into 3 plus 6. Now third row element multiplied with first column, 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. 0 into 3 plus 0, which is equal to minus 2 plus 3, 1. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 minus 4, minus 2, which is also 3 cross 1. Now coming to the right hand side value, what is given? AC plus BC. I am taking right hand side value. So AC plus BC. AC plus BC equal to AC matrix. We have 9, 12, 30 column matrix plus BC matrix. So 1, 8 minus 2, which is equal to 9 plus 1. So both are column matrices. So corresponding elements must be added. 9 plus 1, 10, 12 plus 8, 20, 30 minus 2, 28, which is also 3 cross 1. Observe here, left hand side value how much? 10, 20, 28. Even right hand side matrix also same elements. So clearly LHS equal to RHS. So therefore A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. Hence verified. Now coming to the problem number 8. If capital A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix, then show that A cube minus 23A minus 40 into I equal to 0. So here giving left hand side value A cube. A cube means what? A is multiplied thrice, same matrix itself. So first of all I am finding A square. A square means what? A into A equal to same matrix we have to take. Given matrix capital A and again same matrix itself, and product of two matrices, because it is also 3 by 3 matrix, it is also 3 by 3 matrix. Definitely A square becomes 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. Where product is possible, if it is square matrices, product is applicable. So here 3 by 3 matrix is also 3 by 3 matrix. Then multiplication. First row, first column, second column, first row, third column, and simplify. Even second row, first column, second column, third column, and third row with first column, second column, third column. According to the product of matrix definition, sum of the product of the ith row elements in the first matrix to the corresponding elements of jth column elements in the second matrix. You will get A square is equal to 3 by 3 matrix. Now coming to the A cube. A cube means what? A square into A. A square into A. Bases are same, powers will be added. A square into A. A cube. A square matrix. What is A square matrix? 19, 4, 8, 1, 12, 8, 14, 6, 15. And A matrix is again given matrix 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Then again, product of these two matrices becomes simplified according to the matrix multiplication procedure according to A square. What we have done here, same procedure you have to apply. A square into A, you will get the 3 by 3 matrix. So now I am taking LHS part. LHS A cube minus 23A minus 40 into I. What is A cube matrix? 63, 46, 69. 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63 minus 23 into A matrix is what? It is the scalar. 23 is a scalar multiplied by the given matrix. Given matrix is what? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1 minus 40 into I means what? Identity matrix of the order 3 cross 3, because in the given matrix, giving 3 by 3 matrix, given you have to take identity matrix is 3 by 3 matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So 63, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63 minus. So 23 multiply each and every element. 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46, 23 threes are 69. And here, second element 69 minus 46, 23, 23 fours are 92, 23 twos are 46, and 23 ones are 23 minus 40 multiply identity matrix elements. So 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 40, 0, 0. Now here 63. Here first two elements. Here see here 40 into 0, 0, 40 into 0, 0, 40 ones are 40. So now first element, here also first element, here also first element must be subtracted. 63 minus 23, that value is 40. 40 minus 40, that becomes 0. Next, second element, here second element, here also second element, here also second element. 46 minus 46, that is clearly 0. 69. Now, first row third element, 69 minus 69. both are cancelled. Last element is 0, that is 0. Now second element, same procedure. 69 minus 69, that is clearly 0. Minus 6, minus into minus plus. So minus 6 plus 46, that is plus 40. Plus 40 and minus 40. Plus 40 minus 40, that is equal to 0. 23 minus 23, this becomes 0. Now third row elements, corresponding third row elements. 92 minus 92, that is 0. 46 minus 46, that becomes 0. 63 minus 23, that is 40. 40 minus 40, that is also 0. This is nothing but the null matrix, which is equal to RHS. Now coming to the question number 9. If f of x equal to 3 by 3 matrix, show that f of x and f of y equal to f of x plus y. So now I am taking LHS, left side value, f of x into f of y, which is equal to f of x matrix means the variable is x. Substitute x value as it is here, first matrix. So cos x minus sin x 0, sin x, cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. This is f of x. Now f of y is what? Here instead of x, we can take y. Even right hand side matrix elements also. So instead of x, write y, cos y minus sin y 0, sin y, cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Here f of x into f of y, matrix multiplication. Procedure say matrix multiplication already we discussed clearly. So first row multiplied with first column, second column, third column again same. So cos x into cos y. So cos x into cos y. First row multiplied with first column. Cos x cos y. Minus into plus, minus sin x into sin y plus 0 and something. This is 0. Next, this is the value. First row with second column. Cos x into minus sin y. Minus cos x sin y. Minus cos x sin y. Minus into plus minus sin x cos y. Sin x cos y. 0 into 0, that is 0 plus 0. Now first row with third column elements. Cos x into 0, that is 0. Minus sin x into 0, that is also minus 0. That is plus 0 and some 1, that is also 0. 0 into 1, 0. Now again coming to the second row elements. With first column. Sin x into cos y. So sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Cos x into sin y plus 0. Now coming to the second column. Second row with first column, second column, third column as it is. So minus sin x into sin y. Minus sin x into sin y plus cos x into cos y plus 0. Now coming to the third column, 0 into something, 0 plus cos x into 0, that is also 0. 0 into 1, that is also 0. So now third row elements. Coming to the third row elements, 0 and something, 0 plus 0 and something, 0 plus 0. Again third row with second column elements, 0 and something, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Now third column element, 0 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1 into 1, 1, which is equal to, this is the formula for cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, which is the cos of x plus y, which is equal to cos of x plus y formula, trigonometric formulas. Cos of x plus y formula, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now here minus take common. Minus take common. You will get cos x sin y plus sin x sin y. You will get sin of x plus y formula. Sin of x plus y. Sin both terms minus take common. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y formula sin of x plus y. This is completely zero. Third element 0. Now second row first element sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. It is also formula sin of x plus y formula sin of x plus y. Here coming to the second row second element cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is also formula becomes cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y. 0 plus 0 plus 0 which is also 0. Now 0 this value again this value also 0. This is 1. This is nothing but observe what you have to prove in the right hand side f of x plus y. Instead of x each and every element substituting by x, that is x plus y. So cos of instead of x write x plus y. What is given? Cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0 and 1. So what you observe is instead of x, by taking x plus y, you will get the result that becomes f of x plus y, which is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS.